everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to open Easter crates in Grow a Garden. So in this Easter update you can get Easter crates. It will look like this. You can get these Easter crates from the Egg War event. Make sure you join the event because it happens every hours and only lasts for a few minutes. And once you already have your Easter crates like this, just opening them is actually really easy. First, just go back to your normal garden like this, and then after that, just take it from your inventory and place them in your garden like this. And after that you just need to wait for about 1 hour, and when the time is up you can open the crates, and from here you can receive any random rewards. So yeah, that's how you can open the Easter eggs in Grow a Garden. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.